Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. So first of all, a happy new year to everyone. And this is going to be a general reading, okay? So this may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see what's there for my Capricorns for the month of January 2022. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Capricorns, please. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. At the back of the deck, we have the Wheel of Fortune. So you are going from a very big transition state. Okay, so this is like going through a big transition state. It could be something which is happening all of a sudden, which you were not expecting. So things are your side. Okay, so whatever you are going through, things are on your side. It could be a bad moment, but still things are on your side. Okay, so you have to understand that. In your past energies, we have Six of Wands, the Magician and the Tower. It feels like you were at a place, like if you were dealing, if you are working in a very good reputed place, and you had, like, you got victory, you got something really big, and all of a sudden things crashed around you. Okay, it could be a very good relationship which was going really smoothly and everything was going like perfect. Things were really perfect in the past, but all of a sudden things went insane around you, like what exactly happened around me and I didn't expect. So you felt like, you are at loss. In the present, we have the Five of Pentacles, Three of Wands and the High Priestess. You felt that now there is nobody to help me out. Nobody to help me out, and now I am alone. So the feeling of aloneness, the feeling of loneliness is also there somewhere. In the present, we have the Three of Wands as well as the High Priestess as well. So this is the energy which is within you, which is telling you that things doesn't end like this. Okay, if things went bad, things will come good as well, and things will bring happiness in your life as well. All right, in the coming future, we have Justice, Eight of Swords and the Emperor. I feel that somewhere, I don't know why I felt this statement inside my head. So the statement is that you felt that you were given injustice in a certain thing, but without even knowing, you would even not know what that injustice is, because you felt it in your heart, but now you cannot see that person or that situation where you were given injustice, but the justice will be served to you, but you won't be able to see that justice. So this is how the karmic cycle works, karma works. Okay, you would, for some people, you might see in front of your eyes that, okay, so karma is working with them, they did wrong to me, now it's happening with them. But sometimes we don't even see that, and that is what is happening in the coming future. You might not even see what is happening with those people or with that situation where you were given injustice, but now you are served with justice. But it's more like the justice not in the court, it's more like justice above. Okay, so let's see the Wheel of Fortune. I want to see what is this Wheel of Fortune as the overall energy for you. Ten of Pentacles, King of Cups and Three of Cups. I feel that you are really living a very wonderful time of your life. I feel that somewhere, you are with friends, family, people around you. You might be celebrating right now, and there are good people around you. Okay, so you have been through bad process, and somewhere it comes again in your mind, but in reality that you are going through a very good process in your life, or a very good situation is happening. So enjoy the present. Okay, so let's see your past energies. Why this Tower energy is here? What exactly happened with my Cancers? Capricorns, sorry. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands and Judgment energy. So yes, there was a time where you really needed to decide what is happening and what I can do, where should I go, what line should I pursue. So there was a decision making in the past. You felt good at present, at that time, like, before you felt good that okay, I am going victorious, but all of a sudden things stopped or things changed around you. You felt that okay, things have gone really bad. I took this decision and I thought that it is going to be a very good decision of my life, but all of a sudden it brought me bad news. It brought me to aloneness in my life. I felt lonely now. So why this thing gave me success and then it just ended? Why me? Tell me about the Three of Wands in the present. Death, King of Wands and Page of Swords. So you felt that things have gone bad, but at the same time things might have ended. Those things might have ended, but for a good new transformation. With the death energy, it always tells us that whatever was there in the past, please leave it in the past only. And now just pick up your bags and move forward in life. If you will look behind, or if you will look in the past, there's no going back in the past. First of all, only and only you have to move forward. So start planning for your future energies, or start working in the present so that your future plans may work for you. Okay, I think you are already doing that thing, and it's just kind of a motivation in this video which I'm giving you, because I see that you are already planning, and it's good planning. Okay, so tell me about the future energies. I want to see why the Justice is here. Hermit, Temperance and Page of Wands. I definitely can see that this is something in relation with the past energies only. Okay, so this is more like something happening, something balancing in the universe by itself, and without even you knowing it. So something is going on, something is happening behind your back, but it's happening for your own good. Why the Eight of Swords energy is here in the future? Five of Pentacles, Three of Swords and the Moon energy. See, I told you again. So because of what you have felt about the loneliness in the past energies, that loneliness is coming towards light, because with the Three of Swords and the Moon energy, things are hidden. You are not able to see those things. They are hidden, definitely hidden. But the universe is doing something. I am really sure about it now, because all the cards are telling me the same answer. Tell me about the Emperor. I feel that this is your energy, Capricorn. Nine of Pentacles, Justice and King of Pentacles. So we have Justice again. So you know that justice is being served to you. And King of Pentacles with the Nine of Pentacles. So this is your own energy where you are going towards something really big in life. It could be that you are becoming really mature and you are becoming a very stable person. Okay, money, if the money is an issue in your life at present, it is not going to be like forever kind of a thing. Okay, I see more of a very independent energy where you are getting some amount of money as well. For those people who are expecting money, it's coming towards you unexpectedly. Wow, that is really good. I really feel good for you, Capricorns, today. So that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.